Hey data enthusiasts, welcome to our channel Transform Academy. Have you ever wondered how to start a career in data science? It's a booming field, full of opportunity and potential. The good news is that you can start your journey without spending a fortune. This video will guide you through the essential steps, free tools, and resources you'll need. Data science combines statistics, programming, and domain knowledge. It helps organizations make data-driven decisions. However, many feel overwhelmed by where to begin. Let's break it down into manageable steps. First, understand the foundational skills needed for data science. You should focus on three main areas: statistics, programming, and data manipulation. Next, let's explore some free tools you can use. For programming, start with Python or R. They are widely used in the industry. Websites like Codecademy or Free Codecamp offer excellent Python courses. Now, let's dive into statistics. Websites like Khan Academy provide free courses on basic statistics. Knowledge in statistics will enable you to make sense of your data. Then, you need to learn about data manipulation. Consider using pandas in Python. It simplifies working with data. Tutorials from DataCamp and Kaggle can help you get started with pandas. Another essential skill is data visualization. Always present your findings clearly. Tools like Tableau Public and Google Data Studio offer free options. While learning, practice is crucial. Participate in online competitions on platforms like Kaggle. They provide real datasets to work with. This hands-on experience is invaluable. Additionally, consider creating a portfolio. Include projects you've worked on during your learning. Showcase your skills to potential employers. Use platforms like GitHub to display your code. As you progress, seeking mentorship can accelerate your learning. Join online communities, forums, or local meetup groups. Networking offers insights and can lead to job opportunities. To summarize, start by mastering foundational skills, statistics, programming, and data manipulation. Use free resources, practice with real datasets, and build a portfolio. Now it's time to take the first step. Choose one area to focus on today. Begin your journey in data science, and keep learning. Want to dive deeper? Explore Transform Academy's data science courses on our website using the link in description box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more learning tips. Happy learning!